everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll tell you 8 idioms using out of the which can enhance your English language. So let's start. Out of the bag. It is an idiom that means something that was supposed to be a secret or hidden is now known or revealed to the public. Example, letting the cat out of the bag means that Sarah revealed the secret about the surprise birthday party which was not intended, and now the surprise is spoiled. Like, that should not be informed, okay? And that should not be known by other people, but everyone knows about it, so the surprise is spoiled. Next. One, out of the blue, meaning something unexpected or surprising happening without any warning or preparation. Example, I haven't heard from my old friend in years, and then out of the blue she called me yesterday. It means it's out of the blue, out of the thinking. You know, she did not think that she'll call her, but she'll call him, but suddenly she called him, okay? Next. Out of the question, meaning something that is not possible or cannot be considered. Example, going on vacation next week is out of the question because I have a lot of work to finish. It means there is no possibility, there is no chance for moving out from that place because the person is having huge workload. Next, out of the loop, meaning not informed or aware of something included from the current situation or discussion. Example, since I was on vacation, I'm completely out of the loop regarding the recent changes in the project. It means you are unaware of that particular about that particular project. You don't know about the thing, what is going on. So you can say you are out of the loop. Okay, next one. Out of the ordinary, meaning unusual or not following the typical or regular pattern. It means you are not following as regular persons are doing. So you are out of the box, you are out of the ordinary, you are noticeable, you are different from the crowd. So example, the restaurant's menu offers some dishes that are out of ordinary, such as exotic flavor and unique combination. So the restaurant is not same as the other restaurant, okay? So there is something different in that particular restaurant. Next, out of the picture, meaning no longer involved in a situation or not relevant anymore. Example, with the new management team in place, the old CEO is out of the picture now. It means there is no requirement of the old CEO in that place because the management team is new. So that person, that particular CEO is out of the team or out of the picture. Next. Out of the way, removed from the usual parlor location, not in the usual place. Example, the restaurant was tucked out of the way down a small alley, but it was worth the search for its delicious food. Like, the restaurant provides so delicious food, though this is out of the way, but everyone is searching for that. Everyone is asking for that delicious food. So yeah, obviously, it's worth that everyone is searching for that particular restaurant, though it is out of the way, okay? Next one, out of the woods. It means safe or free from danger, difficulty, or trouble, okay? Example, the patient is recovering well, but she's not completely out of the woods yet. Like you are, the patient is still in difficulty regarding his or her health. So she or he is still not out of the woods. Out of the woods means you are out of difficulties, out of problems, out of trouble. Okay, so if you want to know these more things, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Follow my channel. Bye bye. Take care.